I want to show you a really easy way to stretch out your hamstrings. For those of you tight in your hamstrings, this is the stretch for you. I'm Nora Day. We all need a pillow. I want you to sit on the pillow. As you sit on the pillow, I want you to bring your heels all the way to the wall. Some of you with tight hamstrings, I know your knees are bent. That's okay. What you're trying to do is press your heels, work your calves, and press into the wall. Press, 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 press. It's much easier with your butt elevated. One more time. If you have tight hamstrings, the best you can, I want you to press your heels into the wall. Every little centimeter, every inch is a big deal in yoga, so go for it. You come to your point where you're comfortable, where you have your long back of your legs, long calves, long backs of your knees, long hamstrings, and start reaching forward to your ankles. Woo! The stability of the wall won't let your hamstrings move. So it's really a super stretch to really dig in and stretch your hamstrings. Again, this pillow is helping me tremendously. So you're just sitting here, still pressing my heels. I like to stick my butt out to lengthen my front body, lengthen my chest. But wow, I'm pressing my heels into the wall. Woo! You slowly start going down, but don't let up on your legs. I'm working my legs. I'm not passive legs. This is working my legs. Come to your point where you can, and you try and take a few deep breaths here. After your few deep breaths, walk your hands back. Walk up, walk up, walk up. You can do this stretch about 2 or 3 times in a row, but take that break in between. Try this a few times a week and it will make a big difference in your tight hamstrings. See you guys next time.